Where did I leave off in the last video? I had to go do things. Can't watch it. Look at. Let's just talk about this whole thing. All right, starting from. So like basically, something's been going on since 5 o'clock. All right. Now I said 5 o'clock was going to be like some sort of make or break kind of time, and it definitely is like looking good. Looking good, and it was like looking profitable too. Like you could, like let's see, you probably could make a little there, and I don't know, maybe if you're into that kind of thing, the little micro selling. I like to sit there and sometimes do that. Uh, but while I'm watching it. But now what's going on? All right, from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Let's pull up this thing. All right, so from 5 o'clock, we had this thing. All right, and then all that happened. And we remember this. We remember all this. I want to see something like big. Something big is happening right now. You know what I mean? Something else is like building to all of this. Yeah, is it moon trine? No. What else is we got moon? Oh, here we go. Yes. Look at this. So the Venus sextile Mars is going to leave around 8. Oh, wait a minute. That's already happened. What was 8? 8 was here. That was 8. It was right there. Okay. Okay. I just think there's something else bigger to the picture here. There's a square. 838 entering. Mars Venus action going on. We got 838. Where's. Alright, 838. That's where we're at. 838. Right? Entering Mars square Venus. Alright, the natal Venus. This is important. This is Bitcoin's exalted natal Venus. And Mars is just beginning to square it. Alright, but it looks good. So far, sort of. It's kind of. Here we go, because it's like it's right here. 838 is the entering of this orbit, and then look, does it not look like something is happening exactly right there? And then we got some really dicey behavior going on. What is this dicey behavior? Interesting, like a fist. Does it not? Moon. Oh, you got little moon things. So see, we got little dicey behavior because the moon is getting involved. And even Vulcan. Vulcan is dicey behavior. It's all dicey behavior. Dicey. Everything's just dicey until about 9:20. What kind of dicey stuff we got though? Okay, so we got some kind of good, some kind of maybe, and some kind of not really. All right. All right. At 40, 43, and 57. So yeah, the 40 came in. That's good. That was overall good there. That was if this Mars square Venus is good on its own. This kind of like gave it a little more added in there. I mean that's a good angle there. That's a sextile. Sextiles are positive, and then this is like the black moon. I mean that's kind of like your naughty side. This is Bitcoin's naughty side. Exact. The moon, Bitcoin was feeling a little naughty there, I guess. And then, all right, and see, this is leaving quintile the ascendant. And quintiles I always see as dicey behavior always, and leaving is maybe. Oh, here we go, which is good. Whatever's happening right now is good. 902, what's good right now? 901, 902. Okay, yeah, see, 903, this is good. Heck yeah, this is good. This is, oh, it's about to go up a lot. It's about to go up a lot. Watch. Moon trine Venus. Goodbye. You're gonna go up. Eventually. Oh, the last video I made, it was like it kind of went way too in line with what I was saying. But also, let's see. So what's coming in though? Well, it still hasn't even hit this exact. It's kind of like this started somewhere. Okay, this started back here. This started back here at 724. Okay. So I like that. I like that we got to an exact that was a little bit longer than a couple minutes. So 724. So this is going to go from, this is the bottom of it, and it's a positive kind of angle. And this is apparently the peak of it. Something else is kind of interfering with it. Sometimes the peak is it starts to drop. You know, it's going to go down now because its energy builds, and now its energy is going to wane in a kind of a similar parabola. I would assume, and then it'll be layered over the other things that are going on within that time, just like before. You know, so this ultimately, what it's going to try to do, if it were, you know, it'll probably come down, you know, like around here. Alright? This is what I'm saying. So, there, I'm going to start using these lines. It's like there. I don't know. Let's see. Alright, does that look like kind of where we're going? And, go away. So where did this box come from? I didn't need you. Yeah, I think I got this one a little lower than I need. It doesn't look even. Yeah. Okay. Whew. It's like, let's see. So what's going to pick it up? Because like I feel like, you know, if its effect is even. I mean, I don't know if this is what's, you know, it's taking some guesses here. All right. So what's going to happen right after? So we've already, all right, 906. We already got like several angles. Let's see. Oh, okay. Here we go. So we got the moon. It's getting an exact hit with Hygeia, and it's leaving this, and it's entering this, and this. So this is kind of like, these are kind of iffy, and this is kind of like not too great. These are kind of global. It's a lot of Scorpio action. Oof. All right, so the moon just got into Scorpio. I didn't really kind of equate that. That's a little heavy. You know, even with that trine I was talking about, you know, might not always be. That's kind of a, whew. That's kind of a heavy emotional trine there. And we're gonna hit, and we're gonna start tangling with like Gemini and Taurus and Leo. So it's like, you know, these are oppositions, and you know, these are in the signs of opposition and in conjunction and square, you know. So it's gonna go down for like what, 5 more minutes, because this looks nice. This is gonna start. This looks nice at 9:13. All right, this is what's it doing. I mean, a lot of things. Let's just kind of like draw a line overall. Well, I mean, we don't want to, like, the thing, yeah. 9, 13. Right? Maybe, like, there. You know, because it's gotta come down from here and follow this kind of motion. It's kind of, that's the idea. We know it's gonna, like, do something. It's like a wave or something. Everything's a wave. Where we at? 908. Oh, 908. Okay, so here that was a time. And this. Okay. Oh yeah, and always these green and these light blue ones, the inconjunctions and the quintiles and the biquintiles, they're always wavy. They're wavy things. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, see, that's funny. I was kind of getting intuitive to put it down. Did you not see? Did you guys not see me kind of putting it down here? And I was like, well, it's going up. And I was like, well, maybe I was right. Because he's gonna be like there, something like that. What are you? Maybe we should let's look at this thing. What's going on? Moon and Hygeia. Okay, Hygeia is like something about health. And then Moon, Mars, in conjunction. I mean, yeah, quincunx in conjunction, same thing. And another in conjunction with Admetos. Let's see, Admetos. Who are you, Admetos? Okay, so Admetos was this guy whose wife died, and he couldn't, like, go on because his wife had died, and it was like, even like his one of the gods had, like, risen his wife back from the dead as someone else, and he wouldn't believe it. It's like a really sad story about. It's a really Admetos is like represents things that we can't, like, let go or forgive ourselves for. It's like Admetos is a sad story. This is not a good transit. It's like you're having trouble, integrating Admetos with your emotions. That's terrible. And then we got Volcanus. Volcanus is just like, I don't know, it's just like another kind of Marsy kind of thing. So that might be kind of like good. The 912 might be kind of, oh, what's going on? 912. Wrong stupid thing. Alright. Here we go. So I was like, yeah, that might be good. So it is. Oh, and there, look at that. We got there, right where I said. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I gotta go where it was. I moved it. That's where it was. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh, that's so cool. And then I was like, and then it's gonna go up. Wow. Oh my God, the power of astrology. Wow. Ah, that's so good. Oh, there's no way I'm gonna do that, like, that much. Okay, so it's gonna go. There's no way. I, like, totally, and I kind of moved it 2 or 3 times, and I was like, I guess, I mean, was that cheating? I don't know. All right, yeah. So whatever was good about Admetos is over. And now 912. Oh, I'm sorry. No, yeah, Admetos was bad. I mean, whatever was good about this, the Volcanus. And then, oh yeah, here we go. This, which I was like, is gonna be good, is gonna be bad, right? Because I said it was gonna be good. It has to. I got a little too confident. All right. But I mean, maybe it'll be one of those, like, overall good. I don't know. It is, let's see. It is Pluto. So we got Pluto. Pluto transforms things, but it's like, so the moon. There's more quick moon stuff. So this will be, it's got 2 things combined. And also with Astrea. Astrea, like, purifies things. Look, Pluto and Astrea go well together. Oh, and then we got this, and then we got this. Oh, it's about to go up, all the way to 921. All right, so 921, it's going to go up. It's going to have gone up, like, a bunch of times. Let's see. Right? I don't know. That was just when I see a bunch of sextiles in a row, and then we start seeing like Venus and the Sun, you know, and then once it goes up all the way to wait, but this is also leaving energy. Oh, okay, so this is an exchanging here. Look, this is an exchanging of energies because this one's entering, and then this one's leaving. So we have in this 1 minute we have like an exchange of energy, right at 9:13. So right at 9:13, something exchanged energy. Yeah, exchange is bad. Oh, woof! I was just like everything's gonna be good, and it's like bam. Prove me wrong. Don't let me get so cocky. That was too good right there to call that bottom like before it, you know. I mean, it's like overall, like I'm like kind of wrong, you know. But let's see. Let's see. Interesting. 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 We're gonna have to adjust this one up here. This is a learning process. This is a learning process. Um. So where are we at? 16. Okay, so we're in between these two. Okay, so here's another thing, guys. So we have a leaving energy that just left. So it was positive. Then we have an entering energy that, it's a positive aspect, but it's with a malefic. Pluto is malefic. It transform. It destroys to transform. So often you have like this death and then a rebirth. So maybe that's what we're gonna have here. We're gonna have a really big drop, and then it's gonna rise here because this is great. I mean, come on, Venus sextile Uranus. That's good for all things cryptocurrency. And then specifically the sun is going to sextile the Bitcoin sun. It's a whole new player is going to come into what we've been talking about. I've just been talking about the stupid moon for most of this here. These little kind of fleeting transits and trying to add them all up together. This is good. Like, come on. Like, this is what I want to see to make sense, and it's all entering at the same time as this is like going away, and this is like killing to transform. It's gonna like drop hard and then come back up, right? Yeah, look at it. And we still have like, we're still trying to like hit this mark over here because we're trying to just like see a nice parallelism to here because we had this moon Venus transit that brought us to the peak here at its exactitude, right? So here we got till about from here, what, 9:21. All right, maybe it'll just maybe it'll just kind of like bring us back kind of where we were, you know. Maybe. Oh, here we go. I was like, nope, and it was like, yes, yes, follow the line. Yeah, do that. Oh my God, just like let me just like draw magically the staircase because I've looked at this nonsense long enough. Um, let's see. Am I shooting my hopes too high? Is that what's going on? Right? And I mean, because we are in a descending triangle, you know. That I'm like saying overall, but honestly, like now that I'm looking at this, like this is I want to draw like a big up triangle for that entering, and then where is its exactitude? I mean, it's exact. Let's see. So we got it probably doesn't even happen today. That's a bigger transit. It's gonna have a very big, wide effect. Yeah, it goes into tomorrow. excitability over interactions with others, unique expression of affection, sharing excitement, mental artistic creativity. See, that's what a nice transit. It's like for everybody, you know. This is not just for, that's transit. That's just happening in the sky for all of us. I guess maybe that's why I shouldn't equate it so much specifically to Bitcoin, but then I have this. But that's going to happen at 921, right? What's going on? 920. 920, what we got? And my stairs is looking pretty decent. Whoa. 920. Oh, I drew. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, I drew too far out. Okay. Well, there we go. That's 926 over there. I meant to draw the line to 921. I was like, there's going to be an up from here to 921. All right. And there you go. And then we have 23, 28. Okay, look at this. This is just dicey behavior. Dicey. It's gonna get dicey and go down. Down. Whew. What on earth is gonna pick it back up to that point that I'm like pointed at? Alright, so I see it like being so we're 21, 23, 28, 29. So 23, 28, 29. Okay, so the IC, ooh, that's bad. All right, that's kind of like not too good. This is like, that's an exact. So it's kind of like, maybe it'll be dicey, but it'll be going down. And then this one entering, that might be going up. So 23 and 28 will be down, and then 29 will be up. Right? So it's gonna like, what's going on here? I don't need different colors right now. Yeah, down. Alright. What are we doing? So what was why I said, well, 23, we'll see. The numbers are sometimes like the peaks, right? So what are we gonna have, like a little thing like, maybe it's gonna be like that, right? And then what do we got going on here? 28 and then 29. 23, 8, 9. And it's like, I think it's, I feel like maybe it'll go higher. Higher and go lower, I don't know. What is the like the way it goes? Like this, you know? I mean, it could also kind of like just be, it could also maybe just go up here. It'll go up here and go down. Something's about to be like choppy. $25, 3, 8, 9. 8, 9, and then 33. Yeah, because 33, oh, that's a square that's leaving. Okay, and then this, but then this is exact at 34. Okay, probably like down here. Yeah, just kind of following that kind of thing. It might even be, let's see, it might even be like down here. Yeah, kind of cut through it all. Something like that. more optimistic than that. I was like, it's getting kind of low. I was like, is that like, am I kind of twisting what I said? I'm kind of having to make it, but no. It's like, maybe, yeah, I don't know, something like that. I mean, wait, what am I saying is like this 34 is this. It's not the worst thing, but it's a little, I guess I am trying to give it a lot more weight. Because this is like, this looks like a burden that's lifted. But then this isn't nice either. Nor is this. Nor is this. I just feel like from all the way to 40 is bad. All the way to 40 is bad. Let's just go out to 40. Let's just kind of plot from there. Right? Dang. Let's see here. So, 40. Yeah. It's kind of, right? Come from there. Yeah. I mean, maybe I should be measuring from the falls. You know? This is, you know, the culmination of bad times. It's gonna stay 40. Keep it there. And just kind of like go through the average of it. I mean, this is a strange situation to be like drawing downward lines and it going up, and you're being like, oh, I guess that's what I want. Well, I guess this is why I should put the line at the top of the thing, right? I guess, like, you know, I never know exactly how much, you know, each thing is, you know. Like, see, I'm kind of getting it right here, but not quite. Or was it? Oh, damn, I should have left it there. I forget why I even draw half these. I just keep drawing them. Like, this makes this, right? And then this. Because, yeah, 21. Yeah, 21. Yeah. Oh, but this is good. Why do I think it's gonna go bad? I mean, 31. Right? My goodness, what time is it? Oh, 35. Okay, no, I was like, wait a minute, what? Yeah, 31. 21 was good, right? Yeah. See, 21 kind of brought us up in 23. And then 28, 27, 28. Or 28, 29. Yeah, these were like dicey stuff, and that was like negative, negative, negative. And I'm like, yeah, just see too many that are negative right there. Oh, but we know, actually, I keep forgetting. Sometimes I have to forget I have the leavings on here, because like something negative leaving is good. So actually, I should interpret this position as positive. The 39, and the 40. 40 would be negative, but 39 would be positive. So those two. Well, this is more of a heavier transit. So this doesn't, and this is kind of a pair. So the 40 is kind of like a heavy one. That's a semi-square and a sesquiquadrate with the nodes, like up in the air. You know, I think like I'm getting hungry. All right. So like, what was that? That was at 40. No, what is this? What did I draw this out to? I thought this was that, right? All right. It's like maybe this is how we have to do it. You know, you have to like figure out, like, let the little ones guide where the bigger one is gonna be. Because you can't like really, it's like you can't really make money off the little tiny bumps. You can make money off of knowing where they're ultimately going and where they're ultimately ending up and then returning to or whatever. And it's like you can kind of see, it's like, yeah, you can kind of guess like what kind of bumps are going to go be there, like up to bad bumps or how many, and then you can kind of guess it's like, look, it's going to go down or up or which way it's going to go. Oh, let's see. All right, now there was this. All right, so this I drew like this negative line for. All right, let's see, is that accurate? It almost was. It was like red for a split second. All right, you know. Now see, if this is higher, and see, I misinterpreted that. Maybe, you know, maybe. All right, so what is this? This is Selena, right? Yeah, Selena is like, it's like Selena is like your good. It's like if a black moon up here is your naughty side. Selena is like the good girl. So it's like you're crossed with the good girl. Does that mean like you're gonna behave? I don't know. I guess so. My goodness. For that. Go Selena. Like the moon, and the moon ain't got no problem with Selena. So yeah, it's like, and it was like looking at that, and I was like, okay, it was like to that, I was like, that's an exact one, and I was like, you know, sesquiquadrates are like minor angles, but like I see them do stuff like like good like that. They do. Sesquiquadrates don't mess around. It's such a weird number angle. But look at this one. This one, like looking like something bad, turns into something positive. You know. So, but we still have this. Yeah. So, but I'm like, it's still like this is like where we're going. You know. I'm like, so yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Interesting. Interesting. Wow. It's kind of like, I just kind of like tried to draw from the top and tried to kind of correlate with the lines that were I was drawing as I went. Okay, there it goes. It didn't go down that far. I mean, it sort of did. It had like a part that almost touched my line. Like a couple people sold that low. So maybe I need to adjust where this is. Just try and continually cut it through the average. Actually, really, honestly, it would make more sense if I came through here, right? Because I drew this line, I was like, it's going to here, and then I hit that one. So why do I go back from there? It kind of makes more sense now, doesn't it? Right, because this one I feel is a bigger energy, so I gave it a bigger line. 221. I keep forgetting what it is. Oh yeah, this the nodals, and that's their exactitude. When did they come in? That transit comes in back at 8 p.m. Back at 8 p.m. it showed its face. Yeah. It was part of this low. It was like a combined added energy down here. Oh, look at this. This thing does not want to follow my line. All right. We're almost there. Well, but maybe I should be drawing this thing over here. This line here. Maybe that's how I should like really start doing this. Whoa, what happened? All right. Yeah. Because like that's the peak of that. Why does it keep going there? Oh, because that stupid... What is this chart view? I don't want that there. Alright, so maybe I should draw... And then when does that leave? Alright. It's exact. And then it leaves 11:19. So it comes in there. And then from here to... Well, I guess it's... Is it part of this energy here? It's 40 is the exact. Right. That's exact at 40. 40:56. Okay, now. Yeah. Right there. That's it. What a positive experience. Whoa. You go back. Go back where you were. What did I say? It leaves? It leaves 11:19. 11:19, almost 11:20. It's 11. Can't see. I can't see because of this. There we go. Okay. We got some interesting lines. Alright, it looks like I'm drawing like the kind of lines I see people draw. Like I see these channels appearing. You know, they're always talking about channels, and they like bump around channels. So is this maybe this one is going to be a resistance line, and this is another resistance line. So maybe it can break through this resistant line, but then it's even harder to break through this one. Maybe that's how it works. I might have to cut this video and come back because this sometimes is a lot to just like. Let's see. Oh, I didn't realize I should do this. Boom. All right. Move this one down. Okay. I'm gonna have to come back to this.